Hello, I'm Fiona from ShiFio Patterns, and today I'm going to show you how to double crochet 2 together. So you're decreasing from 2 stitches to 1 stitch using the double crochet stitch, so you'll double crochet 2 stitches together. Okay, so let's get started. So I've already done some single chains and then done some double crochets on top so that you can see how I do this. If you'd like to see how to chain stitch and how to double crochet, the videos will be below in links. Yeah. So to double crochet 2 together. Double crochet 2 together. So 1 chain, then you'd stick your hook in the next stitch, yarn over hook, twist to pull through, then you put your hook into the next stitch after that, yarn over hook, twist and pull through. So now you've got 3 loops on your crochet hook. Then you would yarn over hook, twist to catch it and pull through all 3. So there's it there. So do that again, hook through the next stitch, yarn over hook, twist and pull through. So you've got 2 loops on your hook, hook through the next stitch, yarn over hook, twist to catch it and pull it through. So now you've got 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over hook, twist and pull through all 3. One more time, hook through the next stitch, yarn over hook, twist and pull through, so you've got 2 loops on your hook, hook through the next stitch, twist and pull through, so you've got 3 loops on your hook, then twist to catch it and pull it through all 3. And that is how you do your double crochet 2 together. And obviously this is used for decreasing stitches in a row for, say, doing sleeves or something. As you can see, it's kind of curling around. It's usually abbreviated in patterns as the DC and then 2 and then TOG, tog. I have used it in some of my other videos, like for the beak on the owl cocoon. Oh, starts curling in on itself. Last 2. So 3 loops and pull through. It's like a little smile. If you've enjoyed my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please see below, that way, the other how-to videos that we have. There is a few there now. Thank you for watching.